I'm standing outside Union, a co-living scheme by Vita. The scheme is let up incredibly quickly. The first tower of 870 beds let up in just 8 months. And the second tower of 806 beds let up in just 5 months. I'm staying over for the night to find out what makes this place so successful and what it can teach us about how to scale co-living across the UK. Check-in couldn't be easier. 1 digital key, 1 monthly bill, everything included. Rent, utilities, council tax, and even a TV licence. It's designed for simplicity, the kind of frictionless experience city renters are looking for. We've just checked into our trio ensuite apartment. You can also choose from a duo, a quad, or 3 different types of studio. There's so much to do in the immediate vicinity. I've already pinned the spot to grab a drink later. What's impressive about Union is it isn't just a great building in a central location. It's part of a wider regeneration area. You've got bars, cafes, co-working areas, paddle courts, even a golf simulator right on your doorstep. Compared to rental levels in the surrounding area, Union offers more attainable pricing. This is a huge draw as Manchester continues to attract new residents, particularly young professionals. The average Manchester BTR studio typically costs over £1,300 a month before bills. At Union, a room starts from around £950 a month, all inclusive. I had to catch up on a few emails, which gave me the perfect chance to check out the co-working area. Remote work is shaping how people choose where to live. According to the Harris Associates and Verve Life report, nearly 75% of co-living residents work from home at least part of the week. Spaces like this make that lifestyle seamless. So I was on my way to the gym, but I've got distracted by this lounge. It's the kind of social, communal, well-designed space that makes Union really feel like more of a community than a building. For those looking to save, the gym's optional, but for me, it's a must. If you are someone who doesn't want access to the shared spaces, you can also opt out of the U Plus membership to reduce your rent. Priced at £90 per month, U Plus gives you access to the fully equipped co-working spaces, state-of-the-art gym, bookable club rooms, cinema room, unlimited laundry use, and access to additional lounges. This model ensures the base rental price remains highly attractive while still offering premium lifestyle facilities for those who want them. Dinner time down at the residents-only bar, Base. This is where the social side of co-living really comes alive. Residents here range from 18 to 65, with an average age of 28. You've got pilots, chefs, and lawyers all under one roof, and that mix really shapes the atmosphere. Since opening, Union has achieved over 2,700 lettings and currently sees around 67% retention. This is a strong sign that people aren't just renting here, they're staying. Union's Smart Match platform connects new residents with compatible flatmates, giving them confidence and choice from day one. It's all about creating a living experience that actually fits your lifestyle. It's been such an interesting day. I think what's really stood out for us is how Union has completely cracked that balance between high quality design, community, accessibility, all in a central Manchester location. Cheers! I had a great night's sleep last night. It's been absolutely brilliant to see how the co-living model works from the inside at a truly best-in-class scheme. I'm off to a few meetings while I'm up here now, but thanks so much for joining me at my State Union.